Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your NVR Mortgage account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your NVR Mortgage account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in nvrmortgage.com and make a search. The official page of NVR Mortgage will appear on the screen. Click on Make a Payment option at the top right side of the screen. On the next page, click on Make a Mortgage Payment on your closed account option. Now to log into your NVR Mortgage account, tap on Admin Login option at the top right corner of the page. Enter your login ID and password associated with your NVR Mortgage account and tap on Login. In case if you don't remember your login ID or password, click on the link that says Forgot Login ID or Password Help option. This is how you can log into your NVR Mortgage account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.